koutou e te whānau. Something exciting's coming. Can you hear that? Anana, ko ngā puawa nui. It's the Toy Time Trumpets. Whai mai iahau.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. When you're up to toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time!
Welcome back, everyone. It's so good to see you all. I missed your beautiful faces. I'm Maya, and these are my friends, Jojo, Ricky, and Buzz.
Kia ora. And we have a new friend who moved in next door.
Kia ora! Thanks for having me. You guys are the best neighbours ever.
Hey, did everyone have a good holiday?
Oh, yeah, I did. I learnt a new trick.
Trick, Buzz. I spent the holidays with my whānau in Kirikiriroa.
I spent the holidays with my whānau too, and the whānaus. We went swimming in the moana.
Oh, we went swimming in the river.
Oh, and we went horse riding
Oh,
and
my
ate
God.
lots of kai. Snap!
Holidays are the best. I visited my family in Hong Kong.
You're from Hong Kong, but I thought you were Māori, Ricky.
Oh, I am. I'm also Chinese. My mum is Maori and my dad is Chinese. Oh, look, my family gave me this taonga.
Bro, it's a pounamu like mine.
Oh, well, actually, this is a type of greenstone called Chinese jade. My grandma Mama gave it to me for protection, even from very far away. It's very precious to me.
Wow, Ricky, you have a very interesting whakapapa.
Whakapapa. What is whakapapa, Jojo?
Whakapapa is the history of where we come from and how we are all connected to our whānau, the whenua, the moana, and the sky.
It helps us remember who we are, where we belong, and how everything is connected.
Oh, like our family history?
Aye, but it's so much more than that too. Come on, we'll show you.
Who am I? Who are you? Everyone's different. Ko waia, ko waikwe. We all belong. Who am I? Who are you? Everyone's different. Ko waia, ko waikwe. We all belong. Our whakapapa tells us who we are. It links us to our land and all the living things. Ma te whakapapa ka mohio te tangata. Tōna tūranga I te ao. Who am I? Who are you? Everyone's different. Ko waia, ko waikwe. We all belong. Who am I? Who are you? Everyone's different. Ko waia, ko waikwe. We all belong. We pass down our precious taonga. Share our stories together. Sing our waiata. He taonga kua takoha. Mai ngā atua. Who am I? Who are you? Everyone's different. Ko waia, ko waikwe. We all belong. Who am I? Who are you? Everyone's different. Ko waia, ko waikwe. We all belong. We tell our story through our pepeha. It connects us to each other, near or far. He hononga ki ngā tangata. Ngā kōrero tuku iho mai ngā tipuna. Who am I? Who are you? Everyone's different. Ko waia, ko waikwe. We all belong. Who am I? Who are you? Everyone's different. Ko waia, ko waikwe. We all belong.
Kei te aha koe, Ricky.
Oh, This is a Chinese kite I bought in Hong Kong.
Oh, it's beautiful. I love kites.
Me too. I chose this one because it's a dragon, and I was born in the year of the dragon.
There's a dragon year?
Aye, there are 12 different animals, and they each have a year. Oh, do you know the story?
Carl. But I'd love to hear it.
Hey, Mohio, could you please tell us the story of the Chinese zodiac race?
Of course, Ricky. Once upon a time, long ago, the Jade Emperor decided there should be a way of measuring time. He decided to have a race across the river on his birthday. The first 12 animals to finish would each have a year named after them. The race began. The river was huge and wide, and the current was very strong. Of course, the tough, hard-working ox made a good start. The clever rat got a ride on the ox as he crossed the river. But as they neared the finish line, Rat jumped onto the riverbank to finish first. Ox came a close second. In third place came Tiger, exhausted after swimming for a long time. The rabbit was very clever and hopped across using stepping stones to come fourth. The Jade Emperor was surprised to see the dragon in fifth place, and he asked the dragon why he didn't fly. He could have won if he did.
There were some animals and villagers that needed me, so I stopped to help them.
Close behind the kindly dragon was the horse. But just before the horse could gallop across the finish line, the sly snake uncoiled itself from the horse's leg and gave it a fright. So the snake came sixth and the horse came seventh. The sheep, monkey, and rooster worked together to build a raft, and they came 8th, 9th, and 10th. It probably won't surprise you to know that the dog had so much fun splashing and playing in the river that it came 11th. The pig had stopped to eat and take a nap, so it came last in 12th place. And there you have it, the 12 animals of the Chinese zodiac. Koimutsu, the end.
I love that story, Ricky. Thanks for sharing. And that kind dragon does remind me of you.
Oh, thanks, Jojo. Hey, would you like a turn with my dragon kite?
Yes, please.
Grow, my little pretty. Go-wai-o. Who am I? Who am I? Who am I? Go-wai-o. Oh, kia ora, my cussies. It's me, Buzz the Cuss, back at it again on another amazing adventure. And today, I've been thinking about who I am. Ko-wai-o. I've got an amazing idea. I can make a self-portrait about me and all the things that make me me. Hoa ke tātou? Ka rawe. All right, I have my easel, my canvas, and my penetai. So, what do I think about first when I think about me? I know. I think about my maunga, my mountain. Okay, let's draw that first. O manuwhiri te maunga. All right, what do I think about next? I know, my awa. Ooh, I'm gonna use kahurangi for that. All right. I love going and spending time at the awa. Okay, drawing my little awa. There we go. Ka rawe. All right, what's next? My marae. Okay. I love going to my marae as well too. I get to hang out with all my cousins and all my family and we play heaps of games. Let's draw the roof of my marae. Oh, ka pai, just like that. I know, I can draw myself. All right, let's just have a little look in the mirror. Ooh, tēnā koe. Ooh. All right, okay, let's start with my bucket hat. I am going to use this colour. Little bucket hat, just like that. Ka pai. Next, I'm gonna draw my face. Okay, I have a similar shaped face as my dad. And then what's next? Oh, oku taringa, my e. Ka pai. Oh, and my ihu, my nose. And oh, I've got a cheeky grin as well too. My dad and mum said, always smile and share your happiness with people. Oh, I almost forgot. Oku karu, my eyes. Ka pai, that'll do for now. All right, my neck. Next, I'm gonna draw my shirt, and that's blue. Ke korangi. Here is my shirt. Tahi, rua. Oh, and I have pockets on my pants. 3 and 4. Oku waiwai, my legs. And what are my legs and feet in? Oh, they're in my gumboots. Okay, I'm gonna need some different colours for my gumboots. There's one gumboot, and there is my second gumboot. Oh, and a bit of red. I got one more thing I want to draw. My manawa, my heart. Okay, right there. And in my heart is all my friends and whānau. Now to add some finishing touches. Perfect. Do you want to see my self-portrait, cuzzies? Titino, my cuzzies. This is my self-portrait. That's me. And this is my whānau over here. This is my maunga, my awa, and my marae. Whee! This is me. Ka kite anō e te whānau.
Kia ora tamariki mā, ko Auntie Anika tōku ingoa. Today, I'm going to harvest some kumara from my marakai. This basket is a special taonga my kuia made when she was alive. Now, I get to use it to collect kai just like she did. Before I take any kai, I always like to say thank you to Papa Tuanuku. E ora nei au, I e nei hua no te whenua. Ka pai. Right, let's start digging. I'm hungry. Ooh, tahi. Ooh. Rua. Oh, whoa, that's massive. Toru. Wha? Rima. Oh, one more. Oh, whoa, that's the biggest one yet. Oh no, what a harvest. Okay, one more. Huh? What's that? Oh my, we don't want that ending up in the pot. Better give it back to Jojo because she was looking for it. Ka kite anō e whoma.
I love looking through photo albums, especially of whānau who aren't here. It helps me feel close to them.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Donkey.
Donkey who?
Oh, donkeying around with you today.
Kia ora, Buzz. I get so excited when I see you in the Toy Time Whare because I know what it means.
You know it. Takaro time. Let's go. All right, everyone, it's Takaro time.
Great. What's Takaro time?
Oh, it's when Buzz brings toys or a great game to play.
Buzz always knows the best games to play.
I sure do. And today we're playing the Guess the Name game. I'll give you clues and you have to guess the name.
Oh, this sounds exciting. Ready?
Kapai, here it is. This friend uses their calm and kind energy to help people feel loved.
Aroha.
Ai, tika! All right, here's the next clue. When things are scary, you have to be brave. Who am I?
Maya. Maya means brave.
Correct, Jojo!
Oh, Jojo, kia hate mate.
I just wish I had a special name too.
Your name is special, Jojo, because you're special. There's no one in the world like you.
Thanks, Maya.
It's okay, Jojo. My name's a hand-me-down. I got it from my koro. It was his name too.
You know what? Names can be different, and sometimes we are named after someone or something. But what matters most is not what the name means, but what that person means to us. And I think you are all the buzz in my whānau.
Hey, Jojo, I have so many people in my whānau, it's hard to remember them all.
Ah, it sounds like you need a family tree, Ricky. Hey, wait here. I'll find mine and be right back.
Family tree. Which one could it be, I wonder? Hey, Mōhio,
Tēnā koe, Ricky. How can I help you today?
do you know where I can find my family tree?
A family tree is not a real tree you find in the ground, Ricky. It's a way of describing your whānau with a special drawing. It just looks like a tree.
Oh, wow. That's exactly what I need. Thanks, Mōhio.
Kei te pai, Ricky. Anytime.
All right.
Whoa.
This is my family tree, Ricky. It helps me remember my ancestors and my whānau so I never forget who they are.
Oh, wow. It really does look like a tree.
Here are my tupuna. They're the roots, helping keep us grounded. Oh, my koro's there in the glasses, and my nanny, they're the trunk. My mama and my papa, and me on the branches. My cousins are on the other side. That's my cousin's favourite hat.
Oh, wow. So I'll be a branch on my family tree too?
Aye, Ricky. And as you add more family to your tree, your whakapapa grows too.
Ah. Oh, can I put my nana on my tree too? She passed away and I miss her.
Yes, Ricky, a family tree is a perfect way to remember loved ones who aren't with us anymore. They're still part of your tree, like branches that stay with you forever, helping your tree grow.
Oh, well, my nana helped me grow too. Wow, Jojo, this is the most precious tree ever. Can you help me draw mine?
I'd love to, Ricky. Let's go.
Come on.
What do you see when you look in the mirror? What do you see when you look in the mirror? What do you see when you look in the mirror? A beautiful person. What do you see when you look in the mirror? What do you see when you look in the mirror? What do you see when you look in the mirror? A beautiful person. Beautiful on the inside, beautiful on the outside, beautiful in the daytime, beautiful in the nighttime. What do you see when you look in the mirror? What do you see when you look in the mirror? What do you see when you look in the mirror? A beautiful person. What do you see when you look in the mirror? What do you see when you look in the mirror? What do you see when you look in the mirror? A beautiful person. Beautiful on the inside, beautiful on the outside, beautiful in the daytime, beautiful in the nighttime. You're beautiful, you're beautiful, beautiful on the inside, beautiful on the outside, beautiful on the right side, beautiful on the left side, beautiful under a coconut tree, beautiful just like me, beautiful in the morning, beautiful in the evening. You're so beautiful. I'm so beautiful.
Oh, there you are,
find an old picture of our whānau, Titiro.
Oh, there's you, Oma, and Mum, and Dad, and me when I was little.
The day you joined our whānau was the happiest day of my life.
Me too, Oma. But how can we be a whānau when you're a rabbit and I'm a wolf?
Well, we have different mums and dads, but we are still one family who love each other.
That's true, Oma. I love our whānau. Can I have that picture, please?
Oh, of course.
Perfect.
I'm in the Kapahaka group in my school. Our leader is Whai Trish. She's a great teacher.
The younger kids get to learn too.
Even the year ones get to join in.
We've been practicing our pūkanga.
My favourite thing about Kapahaka is the joy and singing.
When I grow up, it'll be cool to perform at Te Matatini.
In Kapahaka, we use our whole body.
We use our hands,
Our arms
our feet.
and our faces.
We are whānau. You and me he whānau kotahi. We are whānau. You and me he whānau kotahi. Family and your friends, that's where it begins. Eating yummy kai, auntie's homemade pies. Going to the beach, fish and chips, sandy feet. Sundays at the house, movies on the couch. We are whānau. You and me he whānau kotahi. We are whānau. You and me he whānau kotahi. No matter where you are, or whānau near and far, just pick up the phone and you'll be close to home. We are whānau. You and me he whānau kotahi. We are whānau. You and me he whānau kotahi. We are whānau. You and me he whānau kotahi. We are whānau. You and me he whānau kotahi.
Developing a flower garden takes a lot of work. Oh, kia ora, Aroha. Kia ora, Maya.
Hey, have you ever played the game Leader of the Day? We play it all the time in my house.
Carl, how do you play?
Well, the leader of the day is, drumroll please, P. We've got 10 seconds to find something beginning with the letter P. Got it?
Got it.
Would you give us a countdown, please, Mōhio?
Aye. Ready in toru, rua, tahi, tīmata, te kau, iwa, waru, pitu, ono, lima, wha, toru, rua, tahi.
That was fun. What did you get?
I brought a pene, peita pango, and a pepe. What did you find?
Oh, I brought a putty putty, a photo of my papa, see? And a paper plane that's pink.
Perfect.
So pleased you think so. Hey, thanks for showing me a new game. I love being your neighbour.
Me too.
I'm playing with some of my favourite toys today. I'll show you what they are. This is my go-kart. It really works. It's got an engine and a pulley. This is the on switch. It goes really fast. One of my favourite things is Transformers. I got Optimus Prime. And I've got Bumblebee. And I also love my dragon daddies. This dragon is 3D printed. His name is Crystal Wedge. He's really got amazing colours. It's blue, then it's green, blue, green, blue, green, blue, green, blue, blue. I love playing with my toys. Bye!
Ni hao, I'm Frank, and welcome to Storytime. This is the story of how our little brother got his English name. On a lovely day in Wellington, sisters Jean and Joy were playing with their little brother. Mum watched him with a worried frown on her face. Luke? No. Tim? No, she muttered. What's wrong, Mum? Asked Jean. Mum sighed. I'm thinking of an English name for your little brother, but nothing seems quite right. But he has a name, argued Joy. He's Hongwei. Hongwei is a special Chinese name that only our family uses. Just like how I call you Hongmei and Honglin, said Mum. Ah, but our friends call us Jean and Joy, said Jean, understanding. Why do all our Chinese names start with Hong, wondered Joy. Well, that's to show that you're brothers and sisters and will always be connected to each other, said Mum. Jean looked at her brother and sister, who she loved a lot. Then Hongwei, English name should start with J too, like Jean and Joy, she said. That's a very special idea, said Mum. But what name? James? Justin, suggested Joy. Jeremy, offered Jean. Their little brother crawled onto Mum's lap and grabbed the jade she wore round her neck. Jean and Joy gasped, looking at each other at the same time. Jaden, they both said. It begins with a J, said Jean. And he likes your jade, giggled Joy. Jaden, that's perfect. His English name will be Jaden, agreed Mum. So, Jean, Joy and Jaden, who were called Hongmei, Honglin and Hongwei to their family, played together and celebrated the special connection in their names and in their hearts. The end.
Hi, Edita, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Kakite ano, we'll see you again. Yeah. Woo. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Kakite ano, we'll see you again. Tofa soy fwa. Enohora. Kakite, I know we'll see you again. Woo! Bye bye. Have a good day, everybody. La.